Welcome back to It's Freedom, where we show what it looks like when boating becomes a part of your everyday life. Because boating isn't just a hobby, it's freedom. A lot of people love the idea of boating, but one of the first questions they ask is, how does Freedom Boat Club actually work? Today we're going to take you along for a real day on the water, from reserving the boat to heading back into the marina, so you can see just how simple the experience really is. Every boating day starts with a reservation. Members simply reserve a boat in advance, choosing a time that works for their schedule. Once you arrive at the marina, the experience becomes even easier. The dock team greets you, helps everyone get settled, and walks through a quick safety check before you head out. There's no unloading trailers, launching boats, or preparing equipment. Everything is already taken care of for you. The boat is ready when you arrive, clean, fueled, and prepared for your day on the water. All you have to do is step aboard, get comfortable, and start your boating adventure. At the end of the day, simply return to the marina and bring the boat back to the dock. The team takes care of the cleaning and preparation for the next outing. Simple, relaxing, and unforgettable, because when boating becomes this easy, it stops being just an activity. It starts becoming a lifestyle built on freedom. We'll see you out there.